A real estate agent asked Gary V, how do you manage your content? How does a beginner manage their content like you have? What parts of it is dedicated? How do you build a content team so that you can focus on the business operations?
Understood. So today, I have 25 full-time employees that work on my content. However, the first 9 years that I made content, I had 0. So when I answer 25 today, and everyone's like, oh, see? I remind all of you that the first 9 years I did it all by myself. By doing it by myself for 9 years is what enabled me to afford having 25 full-time employees on it. So to answer your question, first, I don't think any of you should delegate any of it at first, because if you don't understand it, you won't know how to hire, and more importantly, you won't know how to judge someone that you hired if you don't understand it. Listen, the reality, my friend, is this. I actually believe this is the single most important thing for any business and person in business today. I would rather know how to make social media content than know how to manage my checkbook. It's that important. Every day that goes by, this is becoming more important, every day. So I would say, in the short term, before you delegate this to your 25-year-old niece or to some 18-year-old you met at a conference, spend 1 year and do it yourself. Taste it, understand it. Because if you don't, you're gonna pay someone who's not gonna do a good job, and you're gonna have no clue that it's not a good job, and then you're gonna say it doesn't work. Social media is like basketball. If you're not good at basketball, you're not gonna make any money. If you're good at basketball, you're gonna make $1 billion. And so this is very important, so please don't delegate it. Do it for a year or two yourself, learn it all, and then you can start building a team. And when the next question comes where do I find time? Every person in here does a 2.5-hour lunch that could be 45 minutes.